I'll check. The green one's totally faster. Yeah. Like this green one is shaped like you know those flat race cars? Like that have sort of a point at the front? And like you could see them when they're racing in their car? That kind of car? It's that kind of car, but green. The other car is like Lightning McQueen, but it has more engines, and it doesn't have that tail fin. Like, it actually rolls faster. Like, the green one's tires could go much quicker than the yellow one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But the yellow one, does the yellow one, like, pull ahead in the end?
No.
No? The green one's got it?
Yeah.
Every time?
Yeah. And you winning the trophy for batting is pretty cool, because you barely even get to home. Yeah, no, seriously, you barely get to home. Like, once you get to first base, you just get out, or you just swing 3.